In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a fuzzy glass material. I'll show you 3 ways to make the same material. This is the easiest and the fastest method to create a glass material. I'm using Eevee. Please match my settings. If we were to create a fuzzy material, then we would need to use a texture node like this. That's an interesting effect, but we can't see through the material once we increase the scale. We can certainly decrease the alpha value, but we'll lose the fuzzy details. This is one way to achieve the fuzziness, but the see-through objects don't get affected by the noise texture at all. Here is another way to make the same material. Finally, this is the best fuzzy glass material I can recommend to everyone. This multiply node is a math node. Let's see why this node is the best fuzzy glass node setup available. This material provides a perfect way to distort the material the viewers see through. Meaning, if we were to add more textures, the viewers will see the distorted image as if they were looking through a real fuzzy glass. This material is the one I will recommend everyone to use for their fuzzy glass projects. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.